Ever miss a WhatsApp message because your phone didn't notify you on time? That could happen if data saver is on. But don't worry, I will show you how to fix it easily. On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can allow certain apps like WhatsApp to keep using data in the background even when data saver is turned on. So you will never miss important messages again. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon, tap Connection, tap Data Usage. Next, tap Mobile Data Usage. Here, you will see a list of apps and how much mobile data they use. This view helps you manage which app use data the most. Scroll and tap WhatsApp, and then enable allow data usage while data saver is on. When this option is on, WhatsApp can still send and receive messages when you are not actively using it. As a note, you can also open this setting by long tapping the WhatsApp icon, then tapping app info icon followed by tapping mobile data, but using settings first let you see which app use the most mobile data. That way you can decide which one really need background access. And that's it. Now even with data saver turned on, WhatsApp will still work smoothly in the background, keeping you connected without missing anything important. Use this tip for your essential apps only and turn it off for data hungry ones like Instagram or TikTok. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.